The thing with this kind of business is you have to have passion.
What's the ease of doing business? The biggest gym chain here, Cult Fit. But still, they're booking losses year on year. Customer loyalty, I feel, is pretty hyper-local in India.
They've already created a desi version of IROC. It's called the Yodha race. What?
Sorry guys, doing this for the first time. So, hi, how are you all? Wondering where we are? This is Cyber City Gurgaon. The place where corporate office of every company exists. Years of studies and numerous interviews just to get here, to get that corporate badge of honor. क्योंकि नौकरी नहीं होगी तो कोई बाप अपनी छोकरी नहीं देगा तो समाज में इज्जत नहीं होगी, वही पुरानी कहानी. बट आजकल सब बदल रहा है. लोग यहाँ पे आने का सपना तो देखते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके काम करने का नहीं, खुद की एक कंपनी खोलने का सपना देखते हैं. होते हैं कुछ टेढ़े लोग. गुड़गांव के हर ऑफिस में एक जिम है, एंड लेटली हर जिम एक ऑफिस बनना चाहता है. They say if you do not have passion for fitness, you cannot succeed in this industry. I guess that's what makes this category tough to crack. So I was looking for someone who has taken a really good head start in this space, ताकि समझ आए ये business of passion exactly चलता कैसे. That's when I stumbled upon this gym right around my house. Let's go check it out. वैसे ज़्यादा बिजनेस की समझ नहीं है मुझे, बट आज प्रेप ज़रूर करके आई हूँ. आई होप इट गोज़ वेल. फर्स्ट टाइम ना. सो वी आर हियर टू मीट वन ऑफ द फाउंडर्स ऑफ द जिम, Knox. नाइस नेम. Ishan.
Hey, Nidhi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Finally.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm already in love with the place.
Huh?
Is it just this one center, or there are other centers that you have around here?
We have two centers. This is one in Gurgaon and then one in Delhi. But want a coffee first?
You're making it?
Yeah, of course.
Were you always into fitness, or is there a chubby kid story?
Unoriginal as it is, chubby kid story here. Like, I was always that fat kid and I hated it. Made me very insecure.
Sorry.
अब मेहनत करी यार, head हाथ धो के. But yeah, it always started with the same thing. I was very insecure. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था. I was the chubby kid in school and I wanted to join the gym, but my parents, you know, पहले height रुक जाएगी, gym जाओगे तो height रुक जाएगी. That nonsense.
Famous myth.
Yeah, so my parents didn't let me go to the gym. So I used to go swimming every day to try and do it. And then finally at one stage, my dad allowed me to go to the gym. And, you know, even though I was chubby, I was थोड़ा strong, तगड़ा था मैं. So I enjoyed like that first time I went to the gym. मैंने कहा यार, I'm pretty good at this.
This we're talking about Delhi only. You're born and brought up here, right?
Yeah. So born and brought up in Delhi. I went to modern school over here. मेरा बहुत मजाक उड़ाते थे लोग school में. Some of my friends still call me fatty.
The weight has been an issue.
Yeah. So it was ingrained in my mind, and I always wanted to work out. I always wanted to get in shape. My brother had like very good aesthetics from the start. Uski same genetics के हैं, but he for some reason had abs before ever going to the gym. And मैं बहुत मेहनत करता था, and I used to really struggle. And I thought going to the gym and exercising like properly would be that changing thing for me.
So the drive actually came when you started doing fitness here, or like हमेशा से aim था that you'll get to this?
No. So the thing is, when you start doing fitness, you do it for yourself, right? I the fitness start because I want to look good, but I never thought of it as a career per se, right? So went to college, I studied business management, undergrad. Then I come from a family of lawyers. My great grandfather to my father, sab vakeel hai. So I thought I'd do law.
You're the only rebel who's been like, nahi, main kyun चालू करूं?
I'm the family disappointment. I'm joking. They're all very proud of me for what I've done, but
I'm sure I can see that.
so I did law and came back. And I started working with my dad a little bit, and then lockdown happened. And lockdown, I was just anxiety हो गई यार कि भाई I can't go back to वकालत, मुझे जिम जाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता. 8-9 बजे तक I'm sitting in office. I don't want to do that.
Ask me about it. That's what I've been living right now. So I think soon I'm gonna bail too.
Yeah. So that's whole lifestyle didn't work for me, right? Like I like working out for 2 hours, and if my job is not allowing me to do that, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. So lockdown, I was like, life is stopped, world is reset. Maybe I can change my life here. So I started making fitness videos. बहुत ही awkward थे. Do not go to my Instagram and go see the first videos. बहुत ही cringy होता था. I used to give my dogs French accents, पूरा voice over करके. I used to make videos, but
Dog is a good part here, but really voiceover French accent with a dog.
dog's name is Marcel, तो थोड़ा मैंने उसको French accent दे दिया, but
Become Ross here. Marcel.
yeah, essentially.
I think what I can gauge from all of this is you already had that drive for fitness. So it was the correct fit for you.
When I was in college, I got a T-shirt made that says "Gym Time, Musty Time," and I used to wear it every day. So if that doesn't tell you how I feel about it, but I was always that guy, right? Ishan ka hai, gym ja raha hai. People would go out drinking, and I used to drink an energy drink and go because I don't want to drink alcohol.
So that you always had that drive. I mean, if you can bring your passion into what you're doing, there's nothing like it.
See, the thing with this kind of business is you have to have passion, right? This is not some गली की दुकान that you're opening up. मैं पैसे लगा दूंगा, सामान डाल दूंगा, लोग आके खरीदेंगे. That's not how it works, right? You have that passion has to be within you, and yet has to demonstrate in whatever you're opening, right? तुम्हें किसी टाइप की ट्रेनिंग अच्छी लगती है, तुम किसी टाइप की ट्रेनिंग करते हो, that's what's going to shine through in the space that you open up.
Plus, I think if you've really done it yourself, you can actually sell it better.
It makes a huge difference, right? You have to look the part. ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि मतलब मैं जिम खोल रहा हूँ, मेरी तोन लटकी हुई है बाहर, right? You have to look the part, you have to be the part, and if you are looking the part and being the part, वो passion से ही आया होगा ना. ये नहीं मतलब हलवाई की दुकान खोल दी और फिर जिम खोल दिया मैंने, right? Come, let's have a seat. We'll keep chatting.
If I'm starting something like Nox, then what's like my guidebook?
See, like we discussed, it has to start with someone who has passion. So that's going to create the vision for the kind of space that you want, right? Over here, we're not a gym. We're not an average gym. A regular gym is my equipment डाल दूंगा, I'll make it, design it a certain way, people will come use it. What we are is a fitness studio. तो fitness studio always starts with the concept first. कि मेरा concept क्या है, मैंने किस type की training देनी है, मेरी specialization क्या है, ठीक है? After that, I need to now find a space. मैं कहाँ बनाऊंगा, ठीक है? And I need to figure out if that concept that I have is going to fit within that space. मुझे CrossFit का शौक है, मुझे I just need a little garage. I can get 4-5 pieces of equipment. I can set it up. I can make a CrossFit box. If you look at America, इस type का gym model बहुत prevalent होता है, right? If someone is passionate about fitness, they open something called a garage gym, or they just pick up a small space, set up basic equipment, and they've created space.
Some relatable factor always. So something what you're doing, basically what form of fitness and what the studio vibe is.
Correct. So, पहला एक concept, ठीक है? Then obviously you need to have the space, and then you need to figure out how to build a community around that space. A lot of people, I think social media becomes the first point of access for this. If I'm able to build a community for myself, whether that be, online through social media, or I've been a personal trainer for a while. So an example of हमारे साथ जो क्या हुआ था, a lot of our original founding team were trainers who already had a lot of clients. ठीक है? तो as soon as you open the space, पहले 20-30 लोग were already walking through the door because they came with the trainer. Right? तो having थोड़ा सा clout कि people kind of look at you or respect you as a fitness person is a very useful thing. It's not necessary, but it's useful. ठीक है? So if you are, let's say, someone who's passionate about fitness, but तुमने कभी पहले training नहीं करी, right? Then it becomes a different game. You never trained someone. So maybe first start by training people. उसमें थोड़ा सा experience gain करो. You can train people online, right? That builds a community around you. And that teaches you if you actually have the ability to engage with people like this. ठीक है? तो I train people, अगर मैं 10 client आ गए, मैं gym खोलूंगा, वो 10 client मेरे पास आ जाएंगे, right? If they're from the same locality as me. ठीक है? तो that becomes the community building aspect of it. There are lots of ways to go about it.
But Isabh, tell me something. There's so many gym chains that are here around in India. I mean, take the biggest gym chain here, which is CultFit. But still, their booking losses year on year. 543 crore loss in FY24. Where do you think these guys are failing? I mean, इनका भी model तो somewhat is like giving a vibe, bringing in customers, price point is low, all of that.
उनकी गेम ही अलग है, right? I would say कि अगर तुम्हें जिम खोलने का शौक है, कल्ट तुम देखो ही मत. We don't compare ourselves to cult, right? Cult is playing the game of हमने mass fitness को acquire करना है, ठीक है? We're going to make it very cheap. There is a large section of the Indian audience जो कभी gym गई नहीं है. We want to capture them. We want to put our gyms everywhere. We want to keep them as cheap as possible. और we're going to get them into the system और हम उनसे पैसे बनाएंगे. But if you as an individual, अगर तुम किसी tier 2, tier 3 city में रह रहे हो, तुम्हें gym खोलना है, you don't have to think about the cult model, right? As a fitness model, a fitness studio can be a very profitable model by itself. और अगर तुम्हें 2-3 gym खोलने हैं और अपना खुद का उसमें से profit निकाल के you want to live a happy life, you can very much do that.
So अगर कोई इंसान initially ये सब जायज़ देख के आ भी जाता है, how do you retain, how do you create that kind of loyalty that your business is up and running and you're retaining all of them?
So number one is people come for the trainers or the training, right? तो उसमें hook होना पड़ेगा. So the first reason that people come to your gym is for the trainers or the training. ठीक है, तो you have to figure out कि यार मैं अच्छे trainers कहाँ से लाऊं और मैं उनको retain कैसे करूं, या मैं एक ऐसा बहुत ही top training model बनाऊं which brings people in and they are hooked to that training model and they keep coming back for that, right? So like here we are a PT gym and we have great trainers. We pay them very well. We make sure they're rewarded in as many ways as possible. So they stay with us और उनके clients repeatedly आते रहते हैं because they have a relationship with their trainer. Other places, like you could look at gyms like Barry's, right, which is that franchisee model of a gym. People go there for the Barry's workout. उनको पता है वो treadmill पे डालेंगे, फिर मुझे weights उठाएंगे, फिर treadmill पे वापस डालेंगे और फिर से weights उठाएंगे.
Monotonous then.
No, but that is what I'm going there for, right? मुझे पता है if I go into this gym मुझे क्या मिलने वाला है. I like this training style. I'm going to go do this training style. So one is figuring out what you want to do. Like, are you going to do this through trainers? Are you going to have faces? या तो तुम खुद बहुत ही बढ़िया coach हो, right? और अपना खुद का gym चला रहे हो. People come there for you.
So basically, you're the person they're coming for.
You are the person they're coming for, and then over time you'll get 1 or 2 people working under you who have kind of adopted your training methodology. उनको पता है आप कैसे train करते हो, and they're able to closely replicate how you do it, and people then form a relationship with them, and that's how you're able to expand. The other side, like I said, is you create a training system that people love. Now, usme long-term retention is hard because you're right, it gets monotonous. But at least, let's say people in internationally, like they love Barry, so they keep coming back for the same style of training. But उसका cycle होएगा, ठीक है? वो लोग वहाँ पे 2 साल उस type की training करेंगे, and then they might get bored. Whereas if it's more trainer-driven, people will stay as long as the trainer stays because the trainer goes along with them on their journey.
Because the trainer knows about them also, so then it becomes like, you know, इसे पता है हमें क्या करवाना है, and he's going to get us to good results.
Correct. But both have their drawbacks, right? When I'm trainer reliant, मुझे scale करने में problem होगी because I can't keep replicating trainers, and getting people becomes a problem. And when I'm, like built around a gym model, like a particular training model, फिर उसमें वो personalization is no longer there, and after a while people get bored and it gets monotonous and they move on to the next thing. But I have a good 1 to 2 year cycle where people will be hooked to the kind of training I have, they'll really enjoy it before they graduate. So you can figure out which one works better for you.
So how are you different from a cult or a similar gym chain of sorts? Like how does Knock stand out?
We are not a gym at all, right? That's not our model. We are a fitness studio. So fitness studios, what they do is they focus on a few things, right? One is the community angle and the second is the specialized training. So Cult's game is volumes. I want to keep a ticket price cheap. I want to have a gym as frequently as possible, and I want to try and get as many people in as possible at a low ticket price. Ours is to build a community of like-minded people, and ours is to extract a higher order value from these people, right? So we will provide you a premium experience. We will provide you, more personalized training, and for that reason, you will be willing to pay that extra, and you will be tied in because there is a community of like-minded people from similar social backgrounds coming to the space, and that keeps you coming back. So as it stands where we are in Delhi, we don't have that much direct competition. Ours is somewhat of a unique model. More and more gyms like this are coming up, but they're still quite niche. They won't be at like hundreds of centers like Cult, but they'll be in 1 or 2 centers. And मैं ऐसे तो नाम देने नहीं वाला.
So basically yours is,
को promote
if I get it right, yours is like a hangout spot, लेकिन in the fitness zone of it, so that people keep coming and they already are so associated with this place that there's that hook. So then you're able to bring in the customer loyalty for you.
Yeah, यहाँ पे लोग अपने birthday parties करते हैं यार. They're like, we had someone's wife reach out and say that
February 20th it is.
But the idea is कि like according to them, this is their favorite spot. This is where their friends are. उनको यहाँ पे आके अच्छा लगता है. They want to do their birthday party here.
That's why I think the cafe coming along this entire space is a very different character in its own. Like हम लोग कहते हैं ना, you're coming to work out, and I think honestly for me, अगर मैं वर्कआउट करने आ रही हूँ, I would definitely stop. And you know how Instagram is catching up, so I think it gives me a good spot for a story.
The cafe is a luxury, right? It's not an essential part of this. It's an additional luxury that we've been able to get. We have Lajpat Nagar, right? Lajpat Nagar हमने 4 साल चलाया. That was a testing ground. तो वहाँ पे लोग आए and we saw that लोग आते क्यों हैं, उनको community चाहिए. तो when we build the second gym, we're like, how do we create more community spaces, right? तुम आके साथ में workout कर रहे हो, but फिर तुम हमारे मतलब कि you're sitting on a sofa and chit chatting for 10 minutes before you leave. But अगर हमने आपको ऐसी जगह दे दी where you can sit and you can chat and order food, right? That means per visit you're spending more money also, and you have a space to hang out with your community.
Enter करते ही accessories, then the entire cafe, gym, and all your revenue channels are properly well put now.
Listen, I mean, they're community spaces. But
You'd love to say it like that, but I think we can get it. Talking about the space, though, I'd like to go around. Yeah, थोड़ा तो दिखाओ. How is it like? How's the workout area?
आ जाओ भाई दिखा देंगे आ जाओ.
Wait a second. Why do you have a vending machine here?
So we in Lajpat Nagar, we used to just display all of our items and people used to pick them up, or they will pay at the end of the month और वो पैसे में से जाते थे. So to make
You don't miss any chance to earn at Knox, do we now? Looking at the studio, what is the basic bare minimum cost required to actually set up something like this?
yeah, if you want to open a studio, the cost can range a lot. तुम 15-20 लाख में भी स्टूडियो खोल सकते हो. Like I have a friend, उसने गोवा में जिम खोला हुआ है. It's very nice. His initial cost must have been around 20-25 lakhs. ये तो capital expenditure हो गया. This is your upfront cost. You can still open, like a nice, well-designed space. अगर आप में aesthetic sense है, you can design it well without needing expensive designers. You need basic equipment. आपको racks चाहिए होते हैं, आपको dumbbells चाहिए होते हैं. You can get that within 15 to 20 lakhs, right? But फिर वो बहुत entry level हो जाएगा. Maybe अगर आप एक ऐसे tier 1 सिटी में कर रहे हो तो आपको थोड़ा सा लेवल अप करना पड़ेगा. आपको थोड़ी हायर एंड इक्विपमेंट लेनी पड़ेगी. इवन इफ यू आर बाइंग डंबल्स एंड प्लेट्स वगैरह, थोड़ा हायर एंड खरीदना पड़ेगा. तो मे बी यू आर गोइंग लिटिल बिट इनटू द 30 लाख रेंज. अगर आपको बहुत ही हाई एंड जिम बनाना है तो 20-30 करोड़, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू इट.
Wait a minute. Is that a boxing ring there?
Yeah, it's my favorite spot in the studio. Come,
Really?
let's throw some punches.
Oh, that was something.
मुश्किल था.
What was the idea behind having this boxing ring here at your studio?
Originally, Knox was supposed to be a boxing gym only. So Aman was one of my co-founders. He used to go to a boxing gym. और उसने फिर आइडिया सोचा था कि I want to make this boxing gym bigger, better. वो छोटे से बेसमेंट में होता था. And that's where the idea came from. And he had traveled a lot and he had seen कि जैसे बाहर Rumble was a concept. It's again like a boxing built gym. And that was the original concept behind Knox कि भाई इसमें ऐसा जिम बनाएंगे जहाँ हम जाके बॉक्सिंग करें. But over the years क्या हुआ कि फिर ट्रेनर्स आ गए और जो ट्रेनिंग स्टाइल था वो ग्रेजुएट हो गया. उसमें स्ट्रेंथ एंड कंडीशनिंग ऐड हो गई, एनिमल फ्लो ऐड हो गई. एंड सिंस देन द थिंग्स दैट वी डू हैव चेंज्ड. बट बॉक्सिंग रिंग एक जिम का काफी एसेंशियल एस्थेटिक एलिमेंट बन गया कि वी वांट द बॉक्सिंग रिंग इन ऑल आवर जिम्स बिकॉज इट काइंड ऑफ वो ब्रांड आइडेंटिफायर बन जाता है.
So you have such a ring in your Delhi studio as well.
करेक्ट.
I mean, of course, it started from this.
या तो पहले जिम में भी बॉक्सिंग रिंग है, इस जिम में भी बॉक्सिंग रिंग है. एंड एनी नॉक्स दैट वी ओपन इन द फ्यूचर, हमारा प्लान है कि हम बॉक्सिंग रिंग रखेंगे उसमें. बिकॉज यू वॉक इन, यू सी इट, एक तो इम्पैक्ट एरिया बन जाता है. एंड लाइक आई सेड,
It becomes a recognizing factor also. Now that every Knox has a boxing thing in it.
I think we need one more session. Chuck.
I thought it was an interview.
You may do that. Half much took you already. Come on, let's go.
That's it. I thought we were having a coffee. What is this?
So that's a protein shake with some fruit and some vegetables in it.
Nice that you're covering up all the nasty stuff by saying fruits and vegetables to make it sound good, but it's not.
No, but essentially after the high intensity kind of workout we just did, you want to have a combination of protein and carbs. The carbs to refuel your glycogen in your body and your protein to start to kickstart your recovery.
यार ऑनेस्टली मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया ऑल दिस थिंग दैट दे डू पोस्ट वर्कआउट ये खाओ प्री वर्कआउट ये करो बट टेल मी समथिंग व्हाट इफ आई वांट टू हैव छोला भटूरा आफ्टर माय वर्कआउट
छोला भटूरा खा लो भाई, कौन रोक रहा है?
See, chola is protein, but otherwise also, what is this thing that you can't eat this, you can't eat that? Because I would really prefer eating. मेरे लिए after my 9 to 5, if I'm coming here for workout, then my motivation is कि मैं सब कुछ खा सकती हूँ आपसे this. So छोला भटूरा is at the top of my list right now.
मैडम आपको चाहिए प्रोटीन, ठीक है, छोले से मिलेंगे आपको 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन। आप एक प्लेट छोले भटूरे खाओगे उसमें मिलेंगे आपको 900 कैलोरीज, ठीक है, तो 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन के लिए आप 900 कैलोरी खाओगे,
मोटिवेशन खत्म हो गई।
वो आ गया, आपका वेट बढ़ा 10 किलो, उसके बाद खाते रहो, कौन रोक रहा है? हलवाई की दुकान खोल दो, फिर जिम क्यों जाने?
Kale it is. No, but okay, serious question. What are the operational challenges like to run such a place?
मेन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बहुत लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं यहाँ पे। एक स्पेस में क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं, दिन के 40-50-60 लोग आ रहे हैं, मतलब एक दिन में। फिर उसके ऊपर 10-12 ट्रेनर है, उसके ऊपर मैनेजमेंट, मतलब सारा क्लीनिंग स्टाफ है। तो जस्ट देयर आर सो मेनी टच पॉइंट्स कि मेरा रिसेप्शन है, मेरा ट्रेनिंग है, मेरा बुकिंग का सिस्टम है, कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हमेशा आती रहती है, राइट? एंड व्हेन देयर इज पीपल इन्वॉल्व्ड और ऑटोमेशन इज टफ। तो द थिंग इज कि यू फिगरिंग आउट हाउ टू ऑटोमेट एज मेनी थिंग्स एज पॉसिबल, आई थिंक दैट्स द नंबर वन चैलेंज। एंड देन keeping that smoothly operating, because in a very personal business जहाँ बहुत human interactions है, automation is hard to do, and when automation is hard to do, standardization becomes harder. But tools होते हैं, right? Like पहले हमारा booking system WhatsApp से होता था, now we have an app that does it. So figuring out what are your weak points and trying to find ways कि भाई इसमें से मैं human error निकालूँ, that I think is one of the main operational challenges. लकीली अब हमें प्रैक्टिस मिल चुका है कि ट्रेनर्स को कैसे खुश रखना है, उनको कैसे रिवॉर्ड करना है, सो दैट दे स्टिक अराउंड, कि अपने जितने भी स्टाफ के ऑपरेशनल जो भी है उनको ऑटोमेट कैसे करना है, कि अगर वो चले भी जाएं तो उस टास्क कैन बी पास्ड ऑन ईजिली। वो अब हम वी हैव अंडरस्टूड अ लॉट बेटर, तो दैट हेल्प्स अस अ लॉट।
बट स्टार्ट करने से पहले ऑल दीज स्कीम्स, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स लाइक स्टार्टअप इंडिया और समथिंग, आर दीज हेल्पफुल?
स्टार्टअप इंडिया में रजिस्टर करने में इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, एंड उसके कोई इट्स नॉट हार्मफुल, और बेनिफिट्स तो मिलते हैं अलग अलग टाइप। यू गेट थोड़ा टैक्स में थोड़ा बेनिफिट मिल जाता है इन सम एरियाज। अ स्मॉल थिंग लाइक अगर आपने किसी भी गवर्नमेंट का काम कराना हो ना, इफ़ यू रजिस्टर्ड एज अ स्टार्टअप, वो थोड़ा डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है उसमें। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ट्रेडमार्क रजिस्टर कराना हो, उसमें डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है। सो इट्स डेफिनेटली वर्थ इट टू गेट रजिस्टर्ड विद स्टार्टअप इंडिया। बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं, और देयर आर वेरी फ्यू लाइक ड्रॉबैक्स और डाउन साइड्स टू हैविंग इट, other than थोड़ा बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, so definitely worth it.
Not bad actually for someone starting off fresh and doesn't have much idea या investment नहीं उठानी है, so I think this is a good way to go for them.
Correct.
So we've heard of so much of red taping and going through these procedures और ये करना है वो all of this. What's the ease of doing business?
The thing is कि there's a lot of gray area. तुम्हें gray area में operate करना है, ठीक है? अब तुम जाके किनारे की दुकान खोल सकते हो, उसमें भी लाइसेंस इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, बहुत लोग नहीं लेते लाइसेंस, ठीक है? बट उसमें अगर कोई आ गया, कोई ताला लगाने आ गया, आपका जो लॉस है रिलेटिवली कम होएगा। इस धंधे में पैसे ज़्यादा लगते हैं, राइट? अब आपने आगे जाके जिम खोल लिया, उस पर जाके 30-40 लाख खर्च दिए, सारी इक्विपमेंट डाल दी, और वो आके बंद हो गया, आपको नुकसान बहुत हो सकता है। फाइंडिंग कि भाई मैं लॉ के राइट साइड पे कैसे रहा हूँ, जितना रह सकता हूँ कैसे रहा हूँ, मैंने कैसे मैनेज करना है, उसमें जिससे सारे पीपल इन्वॉल्व है, लाइसेंसेस लेनी है, मैंने फायर लाइसेंस चाहिए होती है, अलग अलग टाइप की लाइसेंस चाहिए होते हैं, मैं उनको मैनेज कर पाऊंगा इन अ वे कि मेरा धंधा चले और ना रुके। यू हैव टू कंसिडर दैट, और अगर कर सकते हो तो फिर डेफिनेटली।
So you mean chance है, but there is going to be effort of course.
लाइक आई सेड, इंडिया में कोई भी धंधा करोगे आपको ये फिगर आउट करना ही होगा।
Have you ever thought of going to something like a Shark Tank? I mean, you get a good platform there, ना? Have that visibility, सबको नाम पता होता है।
मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है वैसे नेसेसरली शार्क टैंक पे, बिकॉज अभी जो हमारी पोजिशनिंग है इट्स एज अ प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट, राइट? और हमारी जो ओरिजिनल मार्केटिंग थी बहुत उस लाइन्स पे थी कि भाई हमने अपना ना ब्रांडिंग करी थी, ना मार्केटिंग पे पैसे खर्चे थे, काइंड ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड टाइप कॉन्सेप्ट था। तो व्हेन यू पुट इट ऑन शार्क टैंक, वो अपना you're trying to position your brand a little bit more massy for everyone.
You're making it pretty exclusive.
The thing is, we have to make it exclusive, right? धंधे का नेचर ही ऐसा है. अब हमें हाई क्वालिटी ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करनी है. इंडिया में इतने हाई क्वालिटी ट्रेनर्स ही नहीं है, राइट? तो हमारे पास सारे हाई क्वालिटी ट्रेनर्स हैं, हमें हाई क्वालिटी ट्रेनर्स बिल्ड करने हैं. सो दैट रिक्वायर्स अस कि हम एक सर्टन पेस पे बिल्ड करें. ठीक है, उस पेस को हम एक्सीड करेंगे तो हमारी क्वालिटी ड्रॉप कर जाएगी. ठीक है ना. एज यू एक्सपैंड ऑब्वियसली इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन द ओरिजिनल वाइब जो आपने रखी थी, बट वी आर वेरी कॉन्शियस कि हम जैसे एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं we have to maintain quality as much as we can, और उसके लिए we have to go at a certain pace.
What has it been like post-COVID? I mean, a lot has changed, right? There are online classes.
COVID में जो हुआ ना कि everyone was sitting at home, ठीक है, and क्या हो गया कि पहले किसी के पास टाइम नहीं होता था, कहते हो मैं सारा दिन काम करते हो, now I'm sitting at home. Second, it became very evident कि जिसकी हेल्थ सही नहीं है, they're more at danger of suffering worse consequences of COVID. तो अब now I'm not only thinking भाई पेट कम करना है, अब मैंने जान भी बचानी. So now I've taken health and fitness and put it in everyone's mind. ठीक है. And lockdown there are no excuse of time. आप घर पे बैठे हो, आपके पास आपकी बॉडी है, and there's online training programs everywhere. तो सबने फिटनेस ट्राई किया and they entered the space. तो जैसे ही COVID finished and everyone was able to step out of their houses, उन्होंने कहा यार मैंने जाना है, I want to go to a community space. ठीक है. And gyms became a community space.
So it worked better.
It worked great. I think
It was like basically the awareness started into fitness because सबको करनी ही पड़ रही थी, and then they're
Correct.
finding for options, and then when you're looking, then
health and fitness was growing in India पहले से ही, ठीक है, but COVID just took it to another level. It helped it explode to a certain degree, right? Because it also created what we call third spaces. So people, when this finished, everyone was aware of health and fitness. Everyone was socially starved. वो भाई खानदान की शक्ल दिख दिख के पक चुके हैं, राइट? दे वांट टू गो आउटसाइड एंड दे वांट टू सी अदर पीपल्स फेसेस. अब मैं रोज किसी का प्लान थोड़ी बना सकता हूँ, खाना खाने थोड़ी जा सकता, दारू पीने थोड़ी जा सकता. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट एवरी डे. तो मैं कहाँ जाता हूँ रोज? अनदर प्लेस दैट यू कैन गो
a very good term that you use, third space.
करेक्ट. घर वाले हैं, उनको मैं रोज देखता हूँ. काम पे मेरे काम वाले हैं, मैं उनको रोज देखता हूँ. व्हाट इज माय थर्ड स्पेस? वेयर एम आई गोइंग अदर देन दैट टू चूज हु आई वांट टू हैंग आउट विद? And that is my gym. That is my third space. इसलिए the way we designed this place also, we very much kept in mind कि भाई हमें third space बनाना है लोगों के लिए, जहाँ वो आके अपना workout भी करें, hang out भी कर सकते हैं, खाना भी खा सकते हैं, interact भी कर सकते हैं, सारी चीज़ एक space में.
That sounds actually good. It actually adds completely to the USP you're trying to create. So
Correct.
also, now that we're talking about branding and all these marathons that are happening, you know, this new term which has really become the thing, High Rocks. What is it about? Like, क्या है? Like, break it down a little for me.
Yeah, so group fitness activities as a concept is growing, right? Marathon attendance in the last 1-2 साल में बहुत बढ़ चुका है. सब मैराथन भाग रहे हैं. रन क्लब्स आ गए तो मैंने रन करना शुरू कर दिया. दैट्स अ वेलनेस सोशल गैदरिंग. अब मैं रन क्लब में जा रहा हूँ, भागने का शौक चढ़ गया तो मैं हाफ मैराथन भागूंगा, राइट? अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी एन अचीवमेंट. अब तो आजकल सब भाग रहे हैं, राइट? सो हाई रॉक्स इज जस्ट कैचिंग दैट वेव ऑफ these group fitness activities जो सब कर रहे हैं. And the whole idea is कि यार it makes everyone feel like an athlete.
It's like a triathlon. I mean, that's how it is, no? It's like a circuit and mix of things, or
No,
that's
no.
the basic from the outside I have.
So it's kind of like the workout we did earlier, right? Some of the movements on the workout we did earlier are all based on High Rocks. Fitness race is what they call it. So you do 1 kilometer run, then you do 1 functional fitness station, 1 kilometer run, functional fitness station, and then you do that 8 times. ठीक है.
Sounds intense.
It is intense. मतलब 8 किलोमीटर भाग रहे हो, 8 stations कर रहे हो, जो easy नहीं है. So it's a good amount of work. A full High Rocks takes people anywhere like hour and 10, an hour and a half, right?
I'm sure it must be pretty rigorous, no? एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक.
It's very rigorous. कि तुम लगे रहते हो, मतलब 90 मिनट you're working hard. It's not easy. So it came as this new sort of fitness concept. It caught on to the wave of running and it just blew up on social media. So High Rocks has been around for 5 years, but it's only become popular in the last year where कि मतलब अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, तुम्हारे फोन पे कल नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा, सारे तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम की रील्स High Rocks की होंगी इसके बाद. ठीक है.
Already काफी हो चुकी है.
It is an endurance sport but also requires strength. तो मैं रनिंग भी कर रहा हूँ और मैं लिफ्टिंग भी कर रहा हूँ. So it creates a nice well-round athlete, or what they call hybrid athlete. And I think that's really helped it become very, very popular of late. But in the near future, I can expect कि मतलब we'll have a lot more of these new fitness concepts that come out in a group fitness activities. ऐसी बहुत होंगी. And they've already created a desi version of High Rocks. It's called the Yodha race. So it's just
The
like
Yodha race.
Yodha race.
What is that?
It's
compared to?
basically like a smaller high rocks. They have similar, like instead of running 1 kilometer, you're running 800 or 700 meters, and similar stations. So functional fitness running. They already created an Indianized version of that. So another area where I'm expecting is
That we're really good at Indianizing everything that we find.
correct. So, this is an opportunity, right? Like, what is a fitness or wellness experience that I can create where लोग आएंगे, racing करेंगे, कुछ interesting करेंगे. High Rocks is just an example of that. Now, High Rocks was done by Germans, so it's very, very well done. But if you can create a cool version of that in India, definitely scope for someone to make something.
Pretty tough, right? For an industry like fitness, कितना ही advertise करोगे? It has to go out organically.
So that's one thing that at least worked for us, right? कि हमने कभी marketing पे ज़्यादा spend नहीं किया, right? Push marketing has not been something ये हम कर रहे हैं कि भाई देखो हमारा gym है आके workout करो पैसा कर.
I think that doesn't work also. I mean, nobody would really believe it. You
Correct.
need to have those real experiences to want to come and be loyal to a place.
Correct. Right now aspirational lifestyle क्या होती थी? बंदा क्लब में बैठा है, बॉटल पॉप कर रहा है, फुलझड़ियाँ आ रही हैं, सब तालियां बजा रहे हैं, ओहो मजा आ गया, राइट? दैट यूज्ड टू बी द एस्पिरेशन. नाउ यू आर लुकिंग एट द गाय जो सुबह उठ के मैराथन भाग रहा है, किस स्पीड में भाग रहा है, सुबह उठ के आइस बात कर रहा है. सो द पर्सन हु एवरीवन लुक्ड एट एज एस्पिरेशनल चेंज करते हैं.
It is fun. It's very off what you normally do, or I don't know, latest catching up more so.
करेक्ट. सो दैट्स द होल आइडिया, राइट? कि अब हम कूल है. पहले क्लब वाले कूल होते थे, अब हम कूल है. एंड एवरीवन लाइक यार हाँ यार पिछली बार क्लब गया था, बहुत दारू पी थी, सुबह उठ के 3 दिन तक हैंगओवर रह गया था मुझे, राइट? बट ओवर हियर
Point you get tired also of the same thing over and over. अब हो गया I think clubs का काफी.
वहाँ पे संडे हो गया, मैं भागा, आइस बात किया, still got to speak to girls, why not, right? And I went home, slept on time, I started my next day properly. Sounds like a good idea.
Win-win for all.
Correct.
काफी intense conversation हो गया. Let's do something fun. Rapid fire.
इसका बदला ले रहे हो क्या?
थोड़ा बहुत तो बनता है ना. Look, it's gonna be fun. Okay. So it's gonna be about myths and facts. Ready? Alright. Biggest myth in fitness.
Biggest myth in fitness. यार सोचने दो एक सेकंड.
Tick.
कि using exercise to lose weight.
Okay. Lifting weights makes you bulky.
I mean, if you
Specifically women.
अगर तुम 10 साल करोगे और स्टेरॉइड लोगे, हाँ बल्कि हो जाओगे, वरना ठीक है.
More sweat is more burn.
भाई पानी और बर्न, तुम पानी निकाल रहे हो, कह रहे हो कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहे हो, हद हो गई. That's not how it works.
You need to work out every day.
You don't have to, but अगर करना है तो कर सकते हो. इंटेंसिटी मैनेज करनी पड़ेगी.
Crunches burn belly fat.
किसने कह दिया? कौन? Who is saying these things?
Carbs make you fat. Say no.
No.
Thank God. Cardio is the only way to lose weight.
नहीं भाई, खाना बंद करो, पेट कम हो जाएगा.
Soreness makes a good workout.
No. No relation between soreness. Soreness मतलब कि मेरा like I did certain kinds of exercises. Certain kind of exercises soreness बढ़ा सकती हैं, and other kinds of exercises don't make you as sore. It doesn't mean your workout is better or worse.
Morning workouts are better.
Any workout is better than no workout. So no.
Most underrated exercise.
मेरी तरह दिखने के लिए closing your mouth,
Closing your mouth.
eating less.
Oh. Has one strength training that makes you look, or I don't know, live more younger.
Yeah, depends. But yes, will it help you live longer और आपकी life better रहेगी if you maintain muscle mass? Yes, very important.
Sleep's as important as workout.
More.
One Bollywood actor you'd like to train and the tips you'd give to him.
Actor ही train करना है कि actress भी कर सकते हैं?
Actors भी कर सकते.
दीपिका पादुकोण.
Why?
She's hot.
Fair point. What tips would you bring to her?
वो मैं उसको बताऊंगा.
Thank you so much. I hope the conversation had something for everyone who's actually watching it. And yeah, I think I'm going to be joining North soon. And all the best.
अभी बता दो, मैं पॉस ले आता हूँ.
I would need a solid discount though.
We figure. No, आ तो जाओ.
No, but really, thank you so much. And yeah, all the best for the future.
Thanks.
Hope I see Knox everywhere.
Me too.